guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a name invisible on Instagram. So first thing you have to do is open up your Instagram app just like this, and you click over to your profile, right? So right here in your profile, you can see where it says edit profile, edit share profile. So you click on edit profile. So once you have opened that up, you see where it says your name and username. So you click on name, and you either put a full stop on your name, or you can decide to leave it blank. I note that you can only change your name twice within 14 days. That's 2 weeks. And after that, you won't be able to change the name again. So this is actually how to make your name invisible by adding full stop or just leaving blank and saving it. You can see. So once you save it, your name is going to be invisible on Instagram.